Hello everyone, my name is Andrew Lang in the ATM 101 class, doing my first weather observation. My weather observation station is at the University of Alaska Fairbanks on the lower campus outside the lower dormitories, right outside McIntosh Hall, right here. McIntosh Hall is located on the lower part of the campus, as seen here, generally near the southeast end of the campus. The site itself is surrounded by several university buildings and parking lots. However, a clear view of the sky was obtained, using the campus power plant as a smoke indicator, as seen here. The site of the weather observation was quite clear at the time, as far as view was concerned. However, the sky was quite cloudy. The temperature readings at the time, according to the digital thermometer, on the right probe were negative 6.6 degrees Fahrenheit and negative 21.4 degrees Celsius. Similarly, on the left-hand thermometer, temperatures of negative 3.2 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 19.5 degrees Celsius were obtained. The thermometer was, however, located directly outside a window between the glass and the screen, as it was the only location available, so the readings may have been slightly warmer than intended. However, verifying with another official source, the iPhone weather app, temperatures were determined to be within 5 degrees of an official reading, so reasonably accurate for these purposes. I did forget to reset the thermometer after its initial testing, so it began recording indoors, and as a result, did not register the coolest temperature possible, or the highest, its highest. It registered 71 degrees exactly on both probes. However, the lowest, or minimum temperature that was observed overnight was negative 18.3 degrees exactly on both probes. Barometric pressure outside, between the window glass and the screen, barometer left outside overnight, was observed to be 30.1 inches of mercury, or multiplying this by a factor of 33.9, 1020.39 millibars. Wind was determined to be northwest, going by the campus power plant smokestack, visible across campus. However, wetting my finger, it seemed to be more of a southwest direction. However, I chose to go with the blowing smoke as my true indicator. The sky was completely cloudy with almost fog. It was not quite cold enough for ice fog, but still extremely restricted visibility, less than a mile if I had to estimate. It was not precipitating at the time. As mentioned, the thermometer was inadvertently not reset, so it started recording the indoor temperature before it was deployed outdoors, and thus its highest reading is 71 degrees Fahrenheit. And the only location for the thermometer was between the glass of a window and the window screen, so effectively outdoors, however near a window into a heated room, so some heat may have escaped. Fairbanks itself is located in interior Alaska, and the University of Alaska Fairbanks campus is in the college neighborhood on the outskirts of Fairbanks, near the northwest edge of the city, between Fairbanks and Esther, seen here. Zooming out, we see that the campus is near the hills bordering Fairbanks to the north and west, and several rivers run through the area. The campus itself is higher than the city by a fair margin, and Fairbanks itself is about 450 feet above sea level. Fairbanks is located in the heart of interior Alaska, near the Chena, Tanana, and Yukon rivers, and is not near the coast, therefore it experiences a very continental climate. As a result, temperatures during the winter months can be extremely cold, and temperatures during the summer months can be extremely warm.